If you look me koro, they hear me whine, I say you turn down gidigba on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia Max TV, and this now as it hot. Today matter go hot where. It just be like saying these people that they whine also. Yes, then they whine us because when we vex come on Tuesday, we go look so okay, oh, maybe we use Wednesday, calm down. They'll come vex us come again on Thursday. We no go get work. We'll continue to the vex they go because now Vespa, now we be. Today matter will go vex because it be like say they don't want to carry all this their bad behavior. One day put them for where children they. And no, for the third time, no, we will not allow it. We must save our children from religious extremism. When we do the introduction finish, we're not going to know what they talk about. My name now, Zugu Chokwode, and this now I see the heart.
How did you?
You thought what you say?
Not that me say me
you just speak am up. You
no,
just speak am up.
I know they like that. You be goat. You be cow. You dey start engine.
Which goat you don't see when they do? No be goat they do.
No,
you say
goat on goat.
So for Imo State now,
Don't you ever insult my state.
No, I don't insult yourself. I'm asking you a question.
You are insulting my state.
Something when we say you for pick from the temple as I come with energy, you for carry am.
But the way
it means that you get bad mind for me.
I don't get bad mind for
Why
you.
you going to tackle me? What it concern you?
I just pause it there. Let me introduce myself. Well, good evening, Lagos. Good evening, Nigeria. We don't carry on that same Ogunga program coming our way. As it is hot, and just as my brother Chukwudi don't talk, today matter, it affects us. And not be such a way we say we go need to give our children them. Because it is annoying. Very, very annoying. If the state government of this particular state will want to talk about no fit, say, okay, make you organize yourself. No, as you go take, at least ensure, say, peace there among the people in the government. Then there's a problem. Make I just pause on here, because if I talk further, problem go dey. My name remains Unkubi, and this is us, Ide Hot.
So I beg, our people went there for house. We carry plenty fire enter studio because it dey prepare us for body. What we go do now say, we go play one video for Unamona watch. I beg. Make una watch this video. From that video, we go enter break because if we no go that break, and even we come back immediately after this video, now vex that we for carry come.
Anger.
So make we just play that video, then we enter break, then we'll come back. Then we'll come like we could now watch, understand, and tell us, say this vex when me and Unkubi carry come, whether na good vex or na bad vex, because people like say some people they want to expose our children to what you know they
to violence and unnecessary issue we will consign them. What is it?
I don't introduce something you call even why you always do like this now?
Why
you never post your vex? Match break on top of your vex.
Let's go on a break, please.
Yeah, the both religions are now throwing stone at each other. The Muslim and the Christian. The Christian are throwing stone from the church, while the Muslim are throwing from the outside.
I beg. This video won't watch. And the report say Christians and Muslims for inside Kwara they fight.
They throw stones.
They throw dangerous weapons for themselves because of say they say for this our school make children know where hijab enter. He sweet you for belle. No, he sweet you for belle. As a papa, as a mama, he sweet you for belle. As uncle, as auntie, he sweet you for belle. As person when not old, he sweet you for belle. As pikin, he sweet you for belle. No, make I ask. If papa and mama them they do this kind of thing, if uncle and auntie they do this kind of thing, what do they want make children learn? More break the thing now so that everybody go understand the story. Now, it gets some schools when they call mission schools.
Yes.
This now school when we say missionary arrangement people or church arrangement.
And then they charge.
And then set up these schools. Now, for the 1970s, during the military government come they collect these schools then because they say, okay, they want to make all the schools then they follow a particular pattern. And they don't want to make people they carry religion, they enter inside this arrangement. But these religion people don't come out, they talk, say, even when government collect them by force, government don't even do the thing the way when they talk to say they go do them. They do the thing anyhow. Make we come narrow this one, enter inside Kwara State. They don't carry waka. go court as we take concern the matter of say give us back our school. Now we form this school. Now we know what we want for this our school. Now we want to make the children dey like this. Give us back our school. And the matter don't drag reach Supreme Court, the highest court inside the border Nigeria. The Kwara State government, following that controversy, say make children know where hijab come to school because they say na mission school. And Kwara State government argue say these schools then they collect grant from government. You know, because they talk this kind of thing, a lot of people express themselves based on their religion. This controversy don't dey down. The Kwara State government we don't even first order the closure of the schools. They close them until they know how they settle this matter. Now when they don't reopen now, see the thing will come happen. I want to ask one question because this is they pay me. If they pay me, share if person wear hijab, come somewhere, if they block you, that one affect because everybody never go touch. I won't flog everybody today.
You.
With Christian, with Muslim, with
you.
the governor, with even you where they watch for house. Now when we say maybe you do, I won't flog
it's
all
my
of
religion. It's my religion.
I won't flog all of Nakoboko. If Pikin wear hijab, come school, he go block his sense from learning what he won't learn.
Thank you.
If Pikin wear hijab, come school, he go affect the one we nowhere. He go block the network of the understanding of that one. Very important question when I say make I ask. First, when I say make you know where based on the religion. Then, if he even wear come, he go make his head the hot past the other people own. If he even wear come, he go make I understand past other people own. Now, if everybody get right for this country to do what they do and their action no affect you, why it can't cause problem? We understand say mission schools, but if we not they collect grants from government, if the matter they court, why we not allow this matter set to finish before we call this particular level?
Chukudi, make it very clear. They don't make a compulsory say all the students for that school still go wear hijab.
Good.
They say, okay, Muslim students will be girls, or for that missionary school, make them they wear hijab. They don't also make Christians they wear hijab. Now just Muslims when they attend that school, make they wear hijab. So why would you have an issue with that?
Good.
What if the same tool they talk about say tolerance for religion? Good. Because in the missionary they carry for it, okay, no, we don't want it that way. Because it's a missionary school. Make every girl when they come to school, make them leave their hair, or make them just did normal. I mean, okay, what would you also say if, for instance, now probably Muslim school owned by a Muslim, and maybe the Muslim contact say, okay, they will make a compulsory for all everybody when they come for that school to the wear hijab, both Christians and Muslims. You understand? How you go feel? You as a Christian, not say go one counter, you go say no. How can my daughter wear a hijab when she's not a Muslim? And because she's attending a Muslim school? These are the questions. This is very clear and understandable. And people when they carry this matter for head, they talk say, you know the one where they are not in parts. People they come and come public and say, Kwara State is an Islamic state. Kwara State is a Muslim state. On what ground? What classifies or defines the fact say a particular state is owned by a particular religion? It is bad. Now, one of the major fundamental problems that they get for this country. By the time we see, may I even make it clear? Religion has caused a lot of harm in this country.
If we go talk through,
it has caused a lot of harm.
If we go talk through, it don't cause.
Oh, now why be the citizens? Now they allow the system, the government system, to also use religion to scatter on that. Because if say now tolerate this is okay, let's not fight over it. Now they get this quarrel.
Very true. What even they painful about this one? I say the children now. What do they want to teach these children?
Thank you.
I say, Papa and Mama, when we say you wake up in the morning, can't decide say rather than make you even go represent Nigeria for Olympics. Maybe you they throw shot put or you they throw javelin. You can't they target the person head when you want break. Because he picking where hijab come, or because you're picking where hijab, they say make you no come. When I come, they fight, they destroy property. And what do you want to make your children learn from you?
Thank you.
Or you're picking them? No, you as a papa, as a mama, what do you want to make your children learn from you?
Thank you.
Very important, very very important. Oh, and we can't beg una say I beg. Una don't. The thing one I don't do don't reach.
Thank
you. The evil.
It is evil.
The evil that you people have done is enough. Don't transfer this evil to the children.
The next
don't
generation.
Transfer it to the children.
The future leaders of tomorrow.
Una turn yourself to Angel Gabriel, Angel Michael, Angel Uriel, Angel Raphael. Now don't they defend now? Because you are the defender of Christianity or you are the defender of Islam. You are now Usman Danfodio. Now you they defend. Now you they fight. Can't turn the thing. Go. Scatter everywhere. Scatter everywhere. Begin to throw stone. They cause confusion. So the police even come. They separate.
You know the funny thing. No,
can you imagine?
Are you aware? Say, you get some families where you go to. I grew up in Mafoluko Shudi. They are king-loving families. I will take them as a typical example. They are king-loving families so they next to the couple door I live. A very light family, beautiful family, lovely family. See, among the same family, the family na Muslim family. But you know, say, while growing up, a lot of these children eventually become Christians. Marry, born, their children come become Christians. Why so say retain their Islamic religion? But it don't stop that same relationship as brothers and sisters. We come from the same mama. I talk about siblings who come from the same mama. We just decide to say you won't become Muslim. So of course they go stick to Islam. It don't stop them from saying, okay, because we are families, we don't bring religion into this crisis or into our matter. Then they live together, they chop together. In the same vein, she knows that this particular crisis really happen for Canada don't divide friends. It don't divide union. Because once a particular friend to somebody, oh, I can't go you Christian. Many Muslims can also talk say, I mean those Christians can also talk say, are you Muslim? It don't cause problem. Please, Nigerians, I would not start talk speaking and no worship na God. At your comfort zone, wherever you are, wherever your religious ground is, worship your. But don't turn issues like this into a religious crisis. Don't allow the government to divide the unity where they exist.
You see, it's good as you even give example of your own background. Say for Mafoluku where you
for
grew
information, may I also talk about this same house where they talk about this family. I grew up there, I lived there, I chopped there.
Good.
I slept, I spent like some of my years there, sleeping together with them.
Make I also talk my own personal experience. I get one friend, his name na Sadiq Sharif. Sadiq Sharif. They come from Ibonwon for Ekpe, this Lagos.
Thank you.
For close to 10 years of my life, me and Sharif Sadiq, in Papa bed, the bed when we say Alhaji Sadiq, sleep on top, in room. Now the same bed, Sharif go sleep face here, me I go sleep face here. We know they ask ourselves, say, hey, you be Christian, you be Muslim.
We don't go sleep together.
As friends, we dey get our issue. As friends, we dey help each other. As friends, we dey live together. But me and Sharif Sadiq, as anybody when grow up for his solo, when know me well, you understand? Omo Yaima, Omo Babima for James Soni. No, na go ask. Sharif Sadiq, we then number 2, then number 4. When we even move God, MG number 8, as na their house at the see my papa, see where my papa they live, that their own they live. Then they call me Sadiq Igbo.
Imagine.
And no be say I just no be say I dey go I be utter boy yo. I dey speak Latin Dominus vobis.
Thank you.
But they don't ever talk say I don't really say. You know the funny. Who may even tell you the one where even they bust my head. During the holy month of Ramadan.
Thank you. I follow their Kilabi families fast. Well. I observe their fasting. At the end of the day, mama. Mommy, Yataju, God bless you wherever you are right now.
God bless you, Yataju.
See, Yataju, God bless you. See, Yataju go cook food. Once don't cook their food, you go make sure it's split up for everybody where they involved. Friends of the family. Me, I chop there for a good 1 month. I want to say I follow the family fast. Do their Ramadan fasting.
You could be waiting for food no day in our own house.
No.
When you come chop for full 1 month.
It's not bad. See, that is how I wanted it that way.
For full 1 month.
Yes.
You don't get food for house.
I dey chop.
You chop for house, come go chop your own house.
But most of the college.
Why are you greedy like this?
I'm not.
You are wicked.
My mama know them very well. What we say.
But you can't chop on our own house. Go chop for their own.
My mama understand the fact. Say, look.
Mo go break. No, Unkubi don't use. Unkubi, now food make you look like that
not
family.
Food.
Mo go break. When we go break,
come back. The friendship and the love.
You can't chop their food for full 1 month.
Yes.
You are a greedy woman.
Enter your kitchen today.
Unkubi, carry food. You are a politician. You are a Nigerian politician.
I'm not.
You have chopped everything.
Let's go on a break.
You have chopped everything.
Let's go.
And it will hook you. EFCC will follow you.
It will not hook me.
Come back to Acid Hot. Yes, we could be inside studio and we discuss that wahala when happen for inside Kwara State. You wear hijab, you don't wear hijab. You should wear, you should not wear. And the plenty controversy when we say follow am. And we don't come out to the talk say this kind of thing no make sense. It's not good. Not be this kind of thing we suppose they hear or they see inside Obodo, Nigeria. It not make sense. It not be something we're going to give people joy. It they break heart. It not good at all. It not make sense at all. It not make sense at all. And this kind of thing, now something where we say for young people, for children, it go they send bad signal or bad message to them. See what happen now. See. They pursue themselves, they throw stone, they fight. It don't make sense now. This kind of thing, what you're supposed to see for this our country. And me and Nkubi we give our own personal experience before we go that break. People fit talk say you dey live for Mafoluku, you live for Isolo, we don't know now. But we'll give you an example of people when we say una know.
Thank you.
For example, the national leader of the All Progressives Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Ahmed, a Muslim name. Ahmed, a Muslim name. You understand? Asiwaju, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Una know say his wife,
Remy.
Senator Oluremi Tinubu. Now assistant pastor.
I know now.
For Redeemed Christian Church of God.
I know now.
The day when they even put Ororo for her head, give her a certificate, her husband go church.
Thank you.
That day. Make we even go talk about Babatunde Raji, na Muslim name, Fatola. Una know say in wife. Na Deaconess.
Thank you.
Deaconess. She go stand, carry microphone. Thank you, Lord. Na Deaconess. Uncle, may I even shock you? This Lagos Island where you see, you understand? You get one thing when I learn during Easter. You get one food where they call frijon.
Okay.
Frijon, they be like beans.
Okay.
Then they mix am with gari.
Oh.
Now food during that Good Friday time. Now they chop. All those people when return, when come bed for Lagos Island, they chop am. Whether Christian o, whether Muslim o, whether Catholic o, whether Anglican o, whether Pentecostal o, whether Presbyterian o, whether Celestial o, everybody they chop. All of them from large family. You go pursue person because you talk say, you know, be Christian. Make another say, make all of una get out. Make una get out.
The governor of Kwara State, the governor of Kwara State, Abdurrahman Abdurazak. This crisis is happening under your watch. And if it goes beyond this, now you go there in the history say, okay, this particular situation will cause this particular gbege, it happened under the watch of this particular governor for Kwara State. The fact you are a Muslim does not mean that you should divide your state based on religion. You are supposed to be neutral in the first place. Ensure say the policies when they introduce to your state, now policies will go favor everybody. Because if they push religion ahead, now problem they cause. Nobody can claim say yes, a Muslim or Christianity, nine strong pass. We don't want that. Nobody wants it. So that's your responsibility as a leader should come first. What is good for the people? Do it and satisfy the people's need.
True.
Education is the center point here. Not be religion. What is that?
And children, when we say go school to go learn, una don't count on this thing. Okay, if they say the
matter they the memories of these children for a very long time to their group.
Don't go be, you know what in you never see Pikin when we come talk say, my daddy used to beat my mommy. That picture where you don't set for in mind. Children are innocent. These children go just they look, say, they say we should not wear hijab, they are fighting. I saw my daddy chasing your daddy. They use stick to break their head. That Pikin go come grow up now with bad mind. They think say, what una do na the right thing. Una know the shame. Una know the shame.
It is disappointing, really.
It is embarrassing.
The height of embarrassment.
It is disheartening.
And happening under the watch of this current governor.
It is
happening
shameful.
Under the watch of this particular government.
It is degrading. It is a dastardly act. You
don't do. That's what it is. If you stretch and now, if you stretch and tomorrow never reach.
I won't use big English.
No, you don't need it.
Maybe I know say the thing.
You've made your point, please. You've made your point. It's okay. It's okay.
So I beg all the children when they watch us, and what if they pay for now? Say if you look Nigeria population, close to 70% are under the age of 40.
Thank you.
So we get young population, and the only lessons we're supposed to teach these people or the impact give these people. Now something where we say it's supposed to add value to their lives. Not be something where they cause confusion. What did they happen exactly? What did they happen? What did they occur? What did they occur? Say parents them go they fight, they pursue themselves, they throw stone, they throw weapons. Like 5 people na injure, break person head because they say our pikin no go wear hijab, our pikin must wear hijab. And why be say this thing don't even reach our school? School no be where the pikin go just go to go learn.
If every religion defines and preaches love, where the love here?
Nkubi, which one be every religion define and preach? Then they now by mouth. Even the holy book.
That's why they ask
may I tell you.
love?
Even for example, the holy book, the Bible says, Love thy neighbor as you love
thyself.
yourself. If you love your neighbor, you go break your neighbor head. You go dey fight your neighbor because of. And every religion they preach tolerance. Who come be the people? Now we say all of una be fake Christians.
Hypocrites.
Una be fake Muslims.
Hypocrites.
You are all hypocrites.
Fake.
Una be Pharisees. Una be Sadducees. Una be.
All the C's.
All the C's. All the C's that una be. Now all the C's that una be. Because una go talk say we are doing. Una come dey fight. They break una head. Who send you to defend? Who send you to fight for the religion? Who send you? Where una do the meeting? Where they come and talk say, okay, Angel Gabriel say that you go fight. Or the only prophet say that you go fight.
Shey the religion go bring that day. You go create the road.
You go build road.
Have you go improve education?
I mean, now wetin go make the children pass WAEC?
Have you go comot poverty?
I mean, now wetin go make them get things.
The areas of point when I suppose they focus on, when I suppose they question the government, I don't question them.
Una no ask whether the students them everything wey they need for their practicals dey. Whether the classrooms dey conducive, whether the teachers dey standard. Na fight una dey fight. You wear hijab, you no wear hijab. I'm not happy with you people at all. I'm not happy. In fact, all the people wey come from Kwara, come out. Come out. All the people who come from Kwara, una need to come out first. Una need to kneel down.
The likes of Bashiru Balogun.
You understand?
I'm disappointed.
Make una kneel down, raise up una hand, close una eyes. It's disappointing. It's embarrassing.
Chukwudi, I mentioned the name now. Bashiru Balogun.
Yes.
The likes of Pasoma. I'm disappointed.
Paso de Lagos now. Why they call Paso?
But he's from Kwara State.
In that year when it happened.
Oh, the governor now they disappointed pass more.
Government need to act understanding how sensitive matter dey. Now why not be government now? Now why? And the thing when they happen with all this kind of bad thing, I say tomorrow now you go enter another place. I remember that time for Osun State. When the former governor say make everybody wear the same make everybody wear the same uniform. He said make all the old school they wear the same uniform.
How on earth?
Then
what mentality?
Then as people come they complain say we get our own school, we get this. Some students even wear cherubim and say, God, what did happen now? What did happen? Where cherubim and seraphim, this thing, enter inside school. Why it be say, what the religion don't they find enter inside our school now? I need to understand. I need to ask, what they don't they find enter our school? What is your personal belief now don't they get to do with learning how to read and write inside school, especially for children?
It is a deliberate device to cause problem for the people, to divide the nation. That's just what religion they do for Nigeria. Religion is not being practiced the way it should be practiced. Leaders they take them as a tool to cause problem. They divide the people, and it has been in vogue, and see they operate. And now we see they give them room to operate. If say they stand our ground, say no, enough of this. All this is for no they happen.
We know what will happen. When we come out inside studio, but we are coming for this studio with a warning. Governor of Kwara State, we know say we not reach to look your eye.
Make we look for eye. Who try to say we not reach? Oga, Governor of Kwara State, now they cause this problem. It's as simple as that. It is what happened under your word.
But if you look at for eye, you know go be seeing eye.
Now I look at that.